Raina and her puppies at breakfast time. They're at the breakfast bar. And they just opened up their eyes. Look. You get their eyes open. Little cutie panooties. Hi, little cutie panootie. This guy here, he's working away. A couple of crashers over there. Little fat bellies. Y'all get worm this weekend. We get our first 2-week wormer. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Mommy's been being wormed. But now the babies get wormed. Rhodesian Ridgeback pups. We got liver noses in there. Liver noses. Black noses. Dark reds. Light reds. These are King David and Raina's pups. Raina is Tova's daughter. So that's Raina right there. And we're going to go across the house to another whelping room and show y'all. That's her great. She's not. That's her great aunt. Ghetto. Otherwise known as Kamoki. I'm Moki. And over here we have Raina's mother. And she's done fed all her babies. They're all passed out. Isn't that right, Tova Two Toes? Huh? Tova Two Toes. How's your babies this morning? We're making nice little stretchies right there. Look how cute they are. Anybody got their eyes open yet, Mama? I think that's Monica's baby right there. Hey, Monica. Check this one out. I know you don't do Facebook, but look at this little guy. We got this little guy right here. And there's the other little guy right there. These are the two guys. I think this is the one you're going to be looking at, Monica. Let's take a look at him. Let's take a look at him. Hi, Monica. How you doing over there? I'm ready to come meet Navy and the family. Yes, I am. Oh, hold on. Tova don't like nobody playing with her babies. They're pretty rich. Tova's going, oh my goodness, he woke them up. Now they're going to come drinking milk. I don't know, you got them pretty filled up. Uh-oh, there goes one. Finding a nipple. Looking for that gold. Watch its tail, you can tell when it strikes gold. Oh yeah, it's in there. HuntersandFarms.com. Rhodesian Ridgeback puppies.